India's Tejas fighter jet, the pride of the country's homegrown defense program, has suffered a major setback on one of the world's biggest stages. At the Dubai Airshow, with global arms buyers watching, a Tejas crashed during a flight display, killing Wing Commander Namansh Syal and delivering a blow to India's showcase fighter. The cause is still under investigation, but the impact is already being felt. Experts say the imagery is brutal. Air shows are meant to project power, precision, and national capability. A crash sends the opposite message, and for the jet that took decades to develop, this moment will sting, especially with India's rival Pakistan watching closely from the same venue. The Tejas program began in the 1980s to replace India's aging MiG-21 fleet, but delays, engine issues, and production bottlenecks have slowed the fighter's rollout. HAL, the state-owned manufacturer, has 180 Tejas Mk-1A jets on order, but hasn't started deliveries yet, partly due to supply chain problems with GE engines. With India's fighter squadrons shrinking from the sanctioned 42 to just 29, the Air Force is scrambling. Tejas was supposed to fill the gap. Instead, India is now weighing emergency purchases, more Rafales from France, or even the F-35 and Russia's Su-57, both showcased in Dubai. Export hopes for Tejas may also take a hit. Target customers in Asia, Africa, and Latin America will hesitate after a public crash. HAL had even opened an office in Malaysia last year. But analysts say the long-term value of Tejas goes beyond sales. It has created an industrial and technological base that India needs for future fighters, including next-generation stealth jets. Meanwhile, regional rivalry played out unmissably at Dubai. While India showcased Tejas, Pakistan flaunted its Chinese-made JF-17 Block 3 and even announced a new export deal with a friendly country. And in an ironic twist, the very missile displayed next to the JF-17, the Chinese PL-15E, is the same family of weapons US and Indian officials say shot down a Rafale during last year's air battle. The Tejas wasn't used in that clash, neither did it appear in India's Republic Day flypast this year due to safety concerns about single-engine jets. So the question now is simple and urgent. Can India's flagship fighter recover its momentum, or has the Dubai crash reset the story of Tejas at the worst possible moment? With Shaurik Shah, Bureau Report, India Today Global.